Bitch, I dropped my blunt today. Things been real suspicious. You ran straight to the shower when you got here. Hey, is you listening? I don't like the way you moving. I hope you're not creeping. Woman, I dropped my blunt today. Is you cheating? Had a good bag of that me and my main marriage. We bought a zip and busted down. It was enough to split. He rolled one, I rolled one. We put them in rotation. Had that great backwood, need that flavor for tasting gases. So good made me wish I should've gotten a pound. Before I knew it, he handed it to me and it hit the ground. If I found out you're doing me bad, it's gonna be so much that's gonna phase ya. I'm talking about uppercut, airlift. I'm throwing the left like my name Joe Frazier. Bitch, I dropped my blunt today. Things been real suspicious. You ran straight to the shower when you got here. Hey, is you listening? I don't like the way you moving. I hope you not creeping. Woman, I dropped my blunt today. Is you cheating?